Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the BitLocker screen on Lenovo LOQ 15. So if this BitLocker screen shows up, that means that something has been changed in your system, or you've tried to enter the recovery mode and tried to do something which has triggered the BitLocker lock. So if it's locked, and that means that you cannot use your the drive that has been done on. Here it's on the drive C. I cannot use it until I unlock it, and to unlock it you need to go to the aka.ms/myrecoverykey on your other device. So it has to be exactly aka.ms/myrecoverykey, and after that don't put any .com or whatever, because I've accidentally once I've entered the aka.ms myrecoverykey without any dots or slashes and then .com at the end, and it went into a scammer website, so you don't want that. Then you need to log into the same Microsoft account that has been logged in on this laptop, and it should look somewhat like this. I cannot show you fully that, but this is how it should look. And on the list there will be all your devices that have been logged in on this account, and you need to find the device that in the field number 2 here shows you what's in the first part of the recovery key ID. So I'm just gonna find it pretty quickly. Okay, I have found it. It is here, I believe. Let's check. Yes, it's the same number as the first part of the recovery key. So now I just need to enter the recovery key that's next to it. So this is the long number with dashes here. I just need to enter it in this white field. And if everything was entered correctly, you should be able to click on continue, and now it'll work. So that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.